In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the purchase of a motor vehicle in Xero. First, open Xero and make sure everything is ready before you enter the purchase itself. The most important thing to check at the beginning is your chart of accounts, because the vehicle needs to be posted to the correct fixed asset account. To do that, go to Accounting. Then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. Once you are there, click Add Account. From the Account Type drop-down, choose Fixed Asset. Then enter an account code and add a clear account name such as one that identifies it as your motor vehicle account. Take a moment to review the details you've entered, and once everything looks correct, click Save to create the account. This step matters because using the right account keeps your records clean and makes depreciation tracking much easier later on. If you bought the vehicle through an invoice or dealership finance, the next part is to report it as a bill. From the Xero dashboard, click the plus icon in the top right corner and choose Bill from the drop-down menu. Now fill in the supplier details, the date, the due date, and a reference. The reference can be something useful for tracking, like the vehicle registration or the invoice number. In the line items section, enter a description of the vehicle including details like the make, model, and year. Under Account, select the motor vehicle fixed asset account you just created. Then choose the correct tax rate according to your local tax rules. Enter the total purchase price and click Approve. Entering complete and accurate details here will help keep both your asset records and your tax reporting in order. Once the bill has been approved, you can record the payment. Open the approved bill and scroll to the bottom. In the Make a Payment section, enter the amount that was paid, the payment date, and the bank account the money came from. This works whether the vehicle was paid in full or only a deposit was made at this stage. After entering those details, click Record Payment. The final step is to register the vehicle as a fixed asset so Xero can track depreciation. Go to the Accounting menu and select Fixed Assets. Then click New Asset. Enter the asset name and choose the asset type for motor vehicles. Complete the asset details, including the purchase date and the cost. After that, choose the depreciation method and rate based on your accountant's advice, since this can vary depending on your business and location. When everything is complete, click Save as Draft or Register to begin tracking depreciation. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.